Hey fellow audio engineers and music producers, I hope you guys are doing well out there. I recorded almost a 90-minute long video where I went through and deleted plugins that I don't use anymore or ones that I just thought they were redundant. I was pretty brutal this time around. I decided to just make a truncated version of that for release because really I didn't want to go through and edit it all. So I'm just editing it down to a few plugins, and then at the end you can see the list, and that's about it. So check this one out if you're curious about what kind of plugins I'm using these days and which ones I'm not. Let's get started with the virtual instruments. I don't even know what Flow Motion is, and Perfect Drums I'm keeping. M-Voice 1, this is a vocal synthesizer plugin that I've been meaning to review since the beginning of this year, and I'm so sorry to the developers for being a procrastinator on this one. I'm definitely going to be reviewing it, hopefully before the end of the year. If not, I'm a jerk. Audio movers, listen to, definitely keeping. Loudmax, I definitely use. Loudness penalty, I definitely use. I thought I got rid of this one. Okay, well, I'm going to get rid of it now. Waves Factory SK10 Subkick Simulator. I haven't even tried this out. So I think this will come in handy when I try my hand at pop music production. Alright, I installed these because I was going to do a video on whether the old VCC sounds better or worse than the new VCC. I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, so I'm definitely going to keep doing it. And apparently there's a new version of SonarWorks reference, so I'm going to hit the update button and find out what happens. This I have definitely replaced with other loudness plugins. It served me well for many years, but it's finally time to get rid of it. I haven't been producing any rock music lately, so as much as I love this plugin, actually, you know what? This plugin has a unique usage, so just for that reason alone, I'm going to keep it. Axiom, which is slow to load. It's basically like Amplitude, but Blue Cat's version of it, so for that reason, I'll keep it. Late replies. This one's a little tougher because the Axiom has this built into it, and I don't really use it a lot. I typically will use Echo Boy for delay. So this is a maybe. Re-Guitar. Again, this is another unique plugin like AcuFiend. AcuFiend, that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, I'm going to keep those two for sure. And then finally, a plugin that I have not got around to reviewing. It's called Rehead, and it's supposed to make your headphones sound more like speakers. So I'm keeping this and adding it to the review pile. Okay, Analog Obsession Hercules, or Harcules. This is a tough one because I have so many equalizers. I haven't used it really, so yeah. K-Meter, as you guys can see, they've definitely upgraded the GUI. This is cool, but have I used it? No, I haven't. I'm going to delete it, but I'm going to keep the installation files. Alright, Mercury Rec crashed my computer, but I meant to review that one at some point. That's like was it a dual rectifier or something? Anyway, I liked the plugin. I tried some tracks through it. I did like the plugin, but I just didn't get around to reviewing it. Alright, this one I'll probably get rid of, even though it's cool. You know, it's analog meters, right? It's really cool looking. I'm not like being sarcastic either. I think it's cool. But do I use this plugin? Not so much. So I'm going to have to delete it. MV Meter 2 from TB Pro Audio. Pawn Shop Comp and Pawn Shop Comp 2. Here's another plugin that I wanted to review, and I feel bad for not doing it. I apologize for that. I will put this actually at the top of the list. It was okay when I used it. I'm not going to say it's the best plugin for compression, But maybe it's just because I haven't tried it out enough and really gotten to use it. Free Fuzz. I've heard this plugin's good, but I have enough distortion plugins that it's not really necessary, but man, I don't know. Maybe I should check it out. Alright, Smart Comp. I absolutely love this plugin. This is actually another one I've been meaning to review, like, since summer of 2019. Ugh. So that one actually I should probably put on the top of the list. I use this all over my latest mixes. Like, seriously, this plugin basically gets put on the end. This cleans up what the other compressor plugin didn't catch. So it just sounds good. And obviously its biggest feature is the fact that it is a spectral compressor. So it doesn't compress at all frequency levels all the time. And that allows for a very clean, compressed sound. So that's my summary review. If you've been on the fence about buying it or trying it, my answer is yes. Full disclosure, I was sent a license to review Smart Comp, but even if I bought it and even if I didn't buy it, it's a very good plugin. Just, again, try it out for yourself and find out. Snare Buzz. So here's another cool Waves Factory plugin. And what this does is, if you've ever played music in a rehearsal area and the snare drum was there, you would notice that a lot of times the snare drum buzzes while you're playing. So this plugin emulates that sound. I really haven't tried it out much, but I'm going to review it because I think more people should know about this plugin. Alright, for the YouTube viewers, this is the end of the video. I wanted to make this one quick, so I'll show you all the list of what I got rid of. So here we go. Deleting all these. And if yeah. There's my list of plugins that I need to review. It's quite long. That's what she said. Anyway, thank you all for watching. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.
Thanks for watching this RealHomeRecording.com video. You can get monthly audio engineering news and exclusive videos by signing up for our newsletter. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down and consider subscribing. Have some questions? Feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Bye!